Do you find interesting questions that has to do with number bases? For example, if you are asked to convert from one base to another, do you usually struggle with questions involving that? Well, in this video, we're going to learn how to convert from one base to another. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And then if you have any question or any topic you want me to teach, please put it in the comment section and I will do just that. Now let's get back to business. We're looking at number bases. And here we are to convert to base 2. Now it doesn't matter what number you're given, but if you're asked to convert to base 2, this is the principle you're going to follow. The first thing I'll do is to draw a line as if I'm looking for the product of its prime factors. And here will be 12. And then I'll divide. Because I'm converting to base 2, I'm going to divide with 2. Now, in the division of this, what you do is that each step of the division along the way, you write out the remainder. So let's go. 12 divide 2, it's 6. But there is no remainder. So it's going to be remainder 0. Divide by 2 again, it is 3, remaining 0. If you divide by 2, this will be 1, remaining 1. And if you divide by 2, it's going to be 0, remainder 1. So the next step is to write these numbers, the remainders, from the bottom to the top. So this means 12 and base 2, it's 1, 1, 0, 0. And that is the solution to the question. Now let's try another example. I have 75. I'm to convert 75 to base 2, which means I am going to divide by 2 because I'm converting to base 2. So 7 divided to 3, remainder 1, join the 1 to 5, becomes 15. 15 divided 2 will be 7, remainder 1. Divide by 2 again, this is 1, remainder 1, and then becomes 17 divided 2, that's 8, remainder 1. Divide by 2, this is 9, remainder 0. Divide by 2, 4, remainder 1. Divide by 2 again is going to be 2, remainder 0. Divide by 2 is going to be 1, remainder 0. And then it becomes 0, remainder 1. So remember what we're going to do. We're going to take the numbers from the bottom to the top. So this means our 75 will be equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and base 2. So this is the solution to the question. Now, if I have a question where I'm asked to convert to base 8, the first 2 examples we did was converting to base 2, and now I want to convert to base 8. Will it still be the same principle guiding it? Yes. It means I'm going to divide 648 by the base I'm converting to, which is base 8. So I'm going to have something like this. This will be 648 divided by 8. I'm dividing by 8 because I'm converting to base 8. So 64 divided 8 is 8, and 8 divided 8 is 1, remainder 0. Divide again. is going to be 10, remainder 1. If you divide again, it's going to be 1, remainder 2. And if you divide, it's going to be 0, remainder 1. So you're going to take them from the bottom to the up. So that 648 will give you 1210 base 8. That's the solution to the question. Now, in the case of this one, you notice that the digits that makes up the conversion of the base is not just 1 and 0. You have 2 here. So what's the point? The digit you have in the result is usually less than the base. It is not equal to, neither is it greater than the base. It's less than the base. When you convert into base 2, the digit that make up the conversion will just be 1 and 0, because 1 and 0 is less than 2. It's in base 2. The same thing applies to when you convert to base 8. It means the result you will get, the values will be less than the base 8. And that's why we had 1210 in base 8. We're going to try another example, and that will be an example 2 so that we can understand what we are saying. Now I have 37. I'm going to convert it to base 8. So it means I am going to divide by 8. Now 37 divide 8. If you divide 37 by 8, you're going to have 4, remainder 5. Divide again by 8, 0, remainder 4. So that's its result. So 37 is equal to 4, 5 base 8. That's the solution to the question. Now, it is also possible for you to convert to base 10 from other bases. Now, in the previous questions we've solved, we're actually converting from base 10 to other bases. So, but now, we want to convert from other bases to base 10. So, what do we do? Let's assume I have this question, 1264 in base 8. And the question wants me to convert this to base 10. Now, it doesn't matter the base you're given, it's the same principle of conversion from other bases to base 10. So what would be the first step? The first step is to number the given number, starting from 0, from your right-hand side to your left-hand side. So this will be 0, this will be 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to expand this 1, multiply the base, which is base 8, and raise to the power 3, which is this 3 here. Addition sign, plus, the next digit is 2, multiply the base, raise to the power of 2, plus, the next digit is 6, multiply by the base, then raise to the power of 1. And 4, multiply the base, raise to the power 0. So this will give you 1 multiply 8 times 8 times 8, 3 times, that's 8 cube, will give you 512. Multiply, this will be 2, multiply 8 times 8, that's 8 squared, 64. 6 multiply 8, 4 multiply 1, 8 raised to the power 0, it's 1. Remember from indices. So this will give you 512 2 multiply 64 is 128. 6 times 8, that's 48, plus 4. If you add all of them together, you have 692 in base 10. You may choose not to write it 10 if you don't want to, but it's in base 10 now. The next question is 432 in base 5. I'm to convert to base 10. The same principle. So you number from your right to your left, starting with 0, 1, and 2. And then you pick the first digit there, 4, multiply by the base, the raised to the power of the number you use, which is 2. The addition sign plus 3, multiply the base, raised to power 1, plus 2, multiply the base, raised to power 0. So this will give you 4, 5 raised to power 2, 5 times 5, 25. 3 multiply 5 raised to power 1 is 5. 2 multiply 5 raised to power 0, it's 1. So this would be 4 times 25, it's 100. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. This gives you 117 in base 10. Now this is the next question. 11101 in base 2, I'm to convert to base 10. The same principle, you number from starting with 0 from your right to your left hand side. So that's it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pick the first digit here, which is 1, multiply by the base, raised to power 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2, plus the next digit is 0, times 2 raised to power 1, and plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So let's multiply them out. 2 raised to power 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. That gives you 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. That gives you 8. And 2 raised to power 2, that gives you 4. Your addition sign. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So this would be 16, 1 times 16, 1 times 8, 1 times 4, 0 times 2 is 0, and 1 times 1, it's 1. So if you add all of this together, what are you going to have? 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 4, 28, plus 1, that gives you 29 and base 10. So this is how to convert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me how you feel about this video. I want to hear from you. I want to get your feedback. Use the comment section. If there's a topic or a question, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and like. And most especially, I want to hear your feedback. See you in the next video.